Hello guys, this is Richard Victor Echo 2 Delta X-Ray. I've had some people asking me how to install the battery, so I thought of making a very small video right now and show you how the battery gets installed on the IM1-4BT or 4BTPlus. For this demonstration, we're going to use an IM1-4BT. The only difference is the bottom portion of the unit is a little bit larger on the 4BTPlus. Okay, so let me unpack everything and get right back. Okay, so we are back, and as you can see on your right hand side, you see the IM1-4BT, and on the left hand side, the 1.5 amp battery. The process on installing the battery is the same whether it's the smaller 750 milliamp or the 1.5 amp. Same thing for the 4BT compared to the 4BTPlus. The difference on the 4BT versus the 4BTPlus is this back cover here, which is smaller on the 4BT. On the 4BT, it does contain a very small battery for temporary usage. Okay, so to remove the backside, you see the slot over here. Near this connector. Okay, basically what you're looking for is the slot over here, and with a blade screwdriver you just want to insert your screwdriver into that slot and pry it open slowly. When it starts opening, move your screwdriver so that you can separate the rear end and the top end. Once the rear end is removed, you simply noticed that where the slot was, where all these connectors are. So, and you have the female version of that inside the top unit. So you simply line up the new battery and the top cover so that they line up. That's automatically going to line up your pins. You do the same thing with the rear cover, and voila, you're now installed. Everything is assembled, everything is lined up. As you can see, the notch that we were using as a guide before is now over here, and the new notch for the battery is right there. So to remove the battery, basically same process. Thank you.